everybody, welcome to Big E Auto YouTube channel. I'm obviously Big E, so I want to do a video today. Been putting in some hours on the turd. As you saw last video, we put a weather pack, the 3-wire weather pack. So I just got done doing the 2-wire. So now all the wiring is weather packed. So that way when we either have to pull the motor out or do disconnect that, we don't have to go through the whole trouble, of cutting wires and soldering. Now we have basically, we have a harness here on, we have this piece here which is tack lead, and tack lead is one is a RPM signal for the ECM. The other one I think is power for the ECM, I believe so. Anyway, so have that. This is coming off. This is for the crank trigger here, for the crank trigger MSD box, the 6A MSD box. So we got that wired up. We got some goodies that showed up. Again, here's the 2-wire weather pack, and we got this today. Pretty excited. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna see what we got here. This is basically the hub for the ATI super damper. You see it's machined out in there. So basically it's just to bring you guys up to speed. The old 383 was on hold because of, we had a problem with the hub, the harmonic balancer, the hub that gets pressed onto the crank itself. We had a clearance issue, and because of that we had the hub wear egg shape. So it was either find somebody who can machine it, which I couldn't, or get a new piece custom machined from ATI. So we went with choice B, so called ATI direct, and I didn't know you could do that, but I measured the cranks, told them the measurements, so they went ahead and they took the hub, they machined it out to what I need so it has the right clearance so it can be pressed onto the crankshaft. So I'm hoping to get that into the hands of Tom Goldman, hopefully early this week, upcoming week I should say. Hopefully we can get the motor assembled back home. I can get it together. We have, well, here are the cylinder heads. They're all cleaned up. As you can see, they're ready to go on. We got our intake gasket set. There's your part numbers if you're running an LT1. Intake gasket set. We have our head gaskets, Cometic head gaskets there. We have the sealer here that they have you spray on the, I like to spray the head gaskets with it so it guarantees, I mean, even though you have everything clean the way it should be, I like to spray that on there to make doubly sure that everything seals. So that's what we have motor-wise. We have all the parts here, obviously, there. We have our crossbars. I don't know if you remember from the last time we welded those on. Those are painted. They're on there pretty good. And then also we had an issue with the fog lights. So, take it over here. We went ahead and we mounted them on the, we actually rebent the factory mounts 180 degrees, and we were able to put them in the actual nose piece itself, so that way when we bolt that up it'll be ready to go. But we're leaving the nose off until we're able to get obviously get the engine back in and make sure we have it running good, blah blah blah, and then we can we'll put the nose on. Obviously the hood is on top there, been sitting there for months. We got the rear bumper cover back on. We did some weight savings there as well. We probably took all in all about 100 pounds out of the car. So yeah, so right now our goal, now we have the hub from ATI, we're hoping that we can get everything assembled and at least get the engine back here so we can assemble it. So That's it for now. Just wanted to give you guys an update. Like and subscribe, hit the notification buttons. And that's it for now. So watch out for each other. Take care of each other. We'll see you next time right here on Big E's Auto. Bye for now.